Today, let's talk about pollinators and how our native plant gardens can have a hugely positive impact on them. Did you know that there are 946 native species of bees in Colorado? Way more than just the honeybee. And many of them are solitary and nest underground, so they're out of sight and out of mind. We don't even think about them until we start planting these native plants. Studies have shown that native plants are 4 times more attractive to native bees than the introduced ornamentals. So if you start planting native plants in your garden, you're going to start seeing all of these new pollinators. And these pollinators come in all shapes and sizes. Some are really small and others are huge, like this cicada killer wasp. But though it looks scary, they are actually beneficial insects and great pollinators. One of the best things about planting my native plant garden is discovering all these new species that I never saw when my garden was just full of ornamental flowers and vegetables. For example, the liatris, a summer blooming perennial, is hugely popular with the bees and other pollinators. I'll see them just falling over these flowers, as are penstemons, which come in a wide variety of colors and shapes. You'll see just as many bees as you see colors and shapes of your own flowers. Because worldwide, there's 20,000 species of bees. And providing food, water, and habitat for all of these different pollinators is going to make our entire ecosystem healthier. So think about it. Can you plant some more native plants in your garden and attract these native pollinators? They will thank you for it, as I'm sure you will, and just enjoying all of the different kinds of wildlife you're going to see in your garden. So thanks to CSU Extension, they gave me a lot of the information for this particular video, as well as so much information on native plants, gardening, planting, how to get rid of sod. They're just a great resource. So I'd highly recommend, if you haven't really browsed through CSU Extension's website, give it a check out. And as always, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I love sharing everything about native plants and all of these wonderful things. Thank you.